I haven't been making the best purees with just my blender, so hopefully this solves that situation. So you steam first, then you add your breast milk, and then blend. Okay, it's done sterilizing. I have to talk quietly because the baby is asleep. Chopped apple. Okay, steaming part is done. Apples are steamed. Now we're gonna blend them. Surprisingly, that did not wake up the baby, even though it was kind of loud. Okay. Now that is that is definitely baby pureed. Oh, I forgot to add breast milk to it. Oh well, next time. What do you think, babe? This is apple with no breast milk in it. It's just pure apple.
I can try this, huh?
Yeah.
Let's try it. Oh, wow. That's legit applesauce.
That is soft. And it's not, I thought it'd be hot, but it's not hot. It's just a little warm.
A little warm. That's delicious, actually.
That's a perfect puree. We were struggling to do this with
Yeah, we tried to do it. Tried to do it with a small blender, and it came out chunky. This is nice and liquid.
This is perfectly pureed. This is like applesauce from a jar, baby food from a jar.
We're going to be using this daily for,
it's perfect.
A year.
This is our first time giving her freshly made baby food from the GROWNSY machine. Want to try? Oh. Her face was like, that is not breast milk. But at least the consistency is correct. Yum, 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 yum.